So now let's move on. So I will share my screen. If you want delete that foreign key, you can delete that foreign key. So how to delete that foreign key is, if you don't want to have that relationship, go to here, go to the child table, department table, put a cursor here and click on foreign key here, right? So you can delete this one. There is the delete option here. No relationship is been deleted now. Now you can insert any data into the table. Go to the department table, click on back. Right? Go to edit here. So I just now deleted the relationship. So whoever joined just now, sorry. So what I did is I went to here. I went to foreign key. I deleted the concept here. There is a delete option here. Now there is no relationship. Now you can insert any data, any employee number you can insert. This one to make you understood. You can also delete the existing relationship. Now I will give here 123. Mechanical department. Hyderabad. Click on save. It is still not reflected. I think I have not activated the table. Now I'll go back to SM30. I'll override this session SM30. Click on edit. So I'll give the employee number which is not available in the master table. What the master table here, right? This is master table. We have only employee number 100 and 200. So I'll give the employee number 125. 125 computers. Save it here. Data is saved. Now you can see it whether it is saved or not. Go to here, refresh here. It's not reflected data. Sorry, not a department table. It will reflect, right? Department table. You should open department table here. SC 16N. Give the department table. This is the table name. To see the data, control execute. You see the record is inserted now with 125. It's a wrong record. Right? Why is wrong record? With 125, there is no employee number. Employee is not joined in the company. How you can check it? Go to your employee table. This is the employee table. You don't have the employee number 125. Because I delete the relationship. Any questions here? Hello? So we'll create one more table. Standard tables related to standard tables. MARA, MARC. Material data, material with the plant. So then I'll show you again how to create that relationship. I'll create a new table with material with the plant, right? Click on create. Here, material with the plant. Go to here. Go to display maintenance allowed. Go to the fields. I'll create one first field as MANDT, client data. Data is client specific. And MATNR, material number. Data element is MATNR. Okay. Works, plant field. Data type is works underscore D. How do I know? How do I know? Open the standard table. What I am doing is I am creating one new table similar to standard table of MARC. And then I will create a relationship with our custom table and the standard table. Okay. How do I know works underscore D? Open the table MARC parallelly. Go to /n. Why /n I am giving here? Why /n I am giving? /n S11.
Create the new screen.
New session actually.
Yeah, new session.
New screen, nothing but. You override this one, /n if you go. Right? Go to MARC. Take this one as a reference. And for the works field, what the data element? Works underscore D. So copy paste this one here. I'll cancel this one not to confuse you. So now I'm creating a new table here. Right? So that's the concept, right? You are using the reuse of the data element. Now, if you want, you can create one more field here. I think in standard table, you have purchase group also. This one, EKGRP. Copy paste the CKGRP. And go to here. Give the data element of what is available in the standard table. Same thing. For weak EKGRP, what is the data element name? See and tell me the screen. What is the name for the data element of this field?
EKGRP.
EKGRP. Same copy paste here. What is the meaning of this one? When you are assigning this EKGRP to this field, what is the meaning of this one? Meaning. What is the meaning?
We are assigning the data element to the.
Correct. So what is the meaning of this one is, while you are inserting the data into this table, into this field, it must be of data type what mentioned here, means character data type. This will give you what type of information you can insert into this field data while you are inserting the data. That's the concept here. Save it here. Save here. Go to technical settings. Right, go to the technical settings here. Save it. Back. Activate now. Okay. Now I will go and I will try to insert the data through SM30. I will go to SM30. Give the table name, click on edit to maintain the data. Right? So it's saying that is incomplete. Maintains dialog. Means we have not created the TMZ. Go to here, your table. Go to utilities, table maintenance generator. Right? Copy paste this table name. Why we are copy pasting here? What is the meaning of that? Why we are copy paste the table name as function group here? System will generate function group for these screens. It is a program, one type of program. Click on create now. What is the 10 and 20 here?
That is memory, right?
Screens, sir.
Screens.
Yeah.
Screens, sir. It's display and inserting the data of the screens.
With this number screen will generate. 1020 means not 10 screens. Screen number is 10. Click on save. Save. Press enter here. Save it. Now you can insert the data into this table. Right? Now go to here. Try to click on to insert the data. Go to new entries here. Right? Material number. Some wrong material number I'm giving here. Plant is 1000. And purchasing group is 1000. Let's click on save. Data is saved. Why it is saved data? It should be validate, right? I give some wrong value.
Yeah,
ZX HRT means some wrong junk.
yeah, it is not exist. I think we are not maintaining the relationship.
Correct. So now I'll create a relationship. How to create a relationship? Go to here. Put a cursor here. And click on this foreign key. There is a meaning here in this one. What it's saying? What is it saying now? It is saying
the child table.
there is a good concept here actually. It is saying that for this field, foreign key is not existing. Do you want to create a proposal with value table, Mara as a check table? Where this one is coming is, from where this one is coming is, if you go to MAT and all, If you go to data element, right? If you go to domain here, data type, domain. If you again double click here, go to value range, there is a value table maintained here. Because of this value table, that proposal is coming. Value table means main table, master table. Main data will contain in this table. Now this table, it is asking that do you want to consider this as a parent table? For that reason, you are getting this pop-up. Now in this pop-up,
Here, Marcy table is relating with Mara table as it is giving value Mara.
because it is maintained at the domain level.
Yes, domain level.
Now if you put it here, click on foreign key, right? Click on yes now. Right? What I did is I clicked on yes. Because I clicked on yes, it has come this relationship automatically here. What is check table in SAP? Check table means parent table. Foreign key table means child table. Use short description here. Right? Now click on copy. Now the relationship is establishing here. Click on copy. Check syntax. Activate. Right? Now go to SM30. But it is overwrite so that it will affect the latest change. /n SM30. Click on edit. New entries. Okay. We'll go plant value is 1000. 2. Plant purchasing group as 001. Here I'll do some X, Z, P, P. Some wrong information I'm giving here. Click on save. Do you see that there is a message showing below? Entry Z does not exist in Mara table. Why this error is coming? Because of what concept? Foreign key, right? Hello?
Funky relationship created, that's why it's
This
not
record does not
showing.
exist in main table, sir. Parent table.
Check table. Suppose the same way you want to create for other table as well. Other field as well. For the plant also, this is the plant, right? I want restrict so that you cannot enter any X, Y, Z, A, B, C, D. See, for example, here, I'll give the correct value here. Correct value means I'll choose from the drop down here. I'll give here the plant value X, Y, Z, A, B, C, D. Z, X, C, P. Some wrong information. Will it save or not?
Save, sir. It will save.
Right? So why it will save? Because
Plant field is not available in Mara.
not because of that, right? Plant value, you have not created a relationship, right?
Yes.
Foreign key is not there for plant field.
Yeah.
Relationship you created only for MAT and ABAP field.
Yes.
Hence, it will allow whatever the value you give here. Save it now. Save now. Right? How do you see the data? You can see in the SM30 itself, or you can go to here, click on contents. Right? See. Plant ZXYCP also it is created. Now you want to restrict that. Means you need to insert the data only the data which is available in the main table of plant. How do you know main table for the plant? Think and tell me. Like how we saw, right? Mora is the main table for material number. How do you know now for the plant which is the main table? So that that table will make it as a parent table. This is the concept.
Based on the primary key.
No. This is where your concept of domain and value table come into picture. Right? Go to MARC table. You are seeing MARC table. What is the data element? Name here.
WRKCD.
If I double click, where it will go? It went to data element. Do you see there is any domain name here?
Yes.
This one. Double click again here. Take you to domain level. Go to value range. Do you see the value table here?
It's
Yes.
another table. T00.
This is the main table. How do I know? Double click again here. This is the plant with the branches with the primary key. Means this is the main data of the plant. Means in any system in the project, any new plant is created, the data will come and sit into this table. How the plant will be created? Through TMC, through the SPRO, right? Through SPRO, you can create a new plant.
Yes.
Then that I showed you very beginning of company code, company information creation. The data will come into this table first. Why? Because this is the main table. From this table only, data should be available in this table when you are inserting the data in the remaining dependent tables. Now, if I go and create a foreign key relationship, let's say I will create a foreign key for this second field.
Then you should give T001W as the main table. Sir.
Correct. It's correct. System will give automatically, proposal will give. You don't need to remember also. Now I put a cursor here. I'll click on the foreign key. Do you see the proposal has come here? What it's saying?
Does not exist. We should create the proposal. Create a proposal with value T001W.
What is the meaning of that? It's saying that, okay, you are trying to create a foreign key. Okay, for creating a foreign key, parent table is required. Nothing but check table. That parent table, do you want consider a table which is available at the domain level? At the domain level, this table is maintained as value table. So if you want, you can consider that. Or if you don't want, you can cancel this button. If you click on cancel, right, you can give you a separate other table here. One second. Click on. No. See, if you give a no, what is the difference?
No
This learning,
parent
right?
table.
There is a lot of when you give no, it has given the option. So you clicked on no. So tell me what table you want to be considered as a check table. Hence this pop-up has come. So that you can give any table here as a parent table now. It's not mandatory to give the table which is available at the domain level. Okay.
You click on yes, which
Can
table
see-
it is to be considered, sir?
Same table what is maintained at the domain level.
Oh,
Click on yes now. Click on yes now. See,
yeah.
condition is formed automatically. Yeah. Now you can give
Okay.
here. Creating.
No means we have options.
No means we have the option. There is general meaning also, right? Proposal means proposal only. It's not mandatory. You can reject that proposal, right?
That each field, do we need to maintain the foreign key relationship, sir?
Correct. Because foreign key is specific to the field level, not the table level. Good question. Otherwise, we don't know, right? Each table, each field is having a different master table, right? Plant is one master table, plant data is one table, Mara is one master data available in the material number is available in Mara table, EKGRP may be in a different table. Unless you create a relationship between for all these individual fields, you cannot create a foreign key common to all the fields. You cannot.
Suppose we have a 40 fields in the table, sir, is a custom table. If the developer is forgets to maintain the relationship in foreign key, at that time table maintenance generator, do we get any errors? Foreign key is missing.
No, it won't. Because that is where the business thinking required, right? When we are creating a new custom table, we should think of that. What is the primary key? What is the foreign key? Do we need a foreign key or not? Foreign key may not be mandatory every time, right? Because sometimes we will create a tables in the projects not for the relationship, right? For log purpose, basically log purpose, we use custom tables. In that case, you don't need to be any foreign key relationship required, but must to be required the primary key.
Yes.
Especially the custom tables is many times useful for the log point of view to store the data. Now if I click on copy, check syntax, right? Activate now here. Okay. Now I can't enter any wrong value to the plant. I'll try to create a wrong plant value. It always to go back and come so that the latest change will affect. Back, go to SM30, go to new records, click on new entries, go some material number here. Go to the plant here. Now here you give some wrong plant, OPPPP something. Oh. We don't know, sometimes with the wrong value, wrong information also somebody has created. Right? With this plant, definitely there will not be any plant value here. Now go to purchasing group here. Click on save now. Do you see now what it is saying?
This plan does not exist.
Plant does not exist. Right? You can cross check this, take this number. Go to T001W. Go to /O. T001W. Click on display. Right? Go to the contents to see the records. Copy paste the plant name here. Click on this. What it's saying? What is it saying? No table records found. Right? Why is this error is coming? Because there is no record existing with this value in the T001W table. That's why you are getting this error here while you are inserting the data. Clear? Understood? Hello? So like this, you can create for the remaining fields as well the foreign key. I don't know. We don't know, but this one is also available. If in the check table, go to here, click on S, right? It is T0024. What is T024 here?
Purchase group.
What is the T024? Check table.
Check
Right?
table.
Parent table.
Means it is the parent table.
With the primary key. Yes. If you go to here, this will be the main table. How do you know? You can go to, right? Already you have opened MARC table here, right? Go back, go to MARC table. Click on display. Go to the EKGRP field here. This field. Go to data element. Go to the domain. Go to value range. There is a value table. Double click here. You see the data here. Contents. Go to here. So here with the purchasing group is unique queue here. Means the master main table. This is the main table. So like this, you can compare any table, any standard table. So now the question is, if you take any table, how many primary keys it can have? If you take any database table, how many primary keys it can have? This is the interview question. Hmm? How many primary keys it can have?
Three, sir.
Primary key is only one. Primary key fields are three.
We don't have
Always remember, primary key means only one. It's called composite primary.
Oh, yes.
Okay. How many foreign keys it can have in one table? In one table, how many foreign keys it can have? It can have. based on the number of fields, right? For each field, one. Okay, other question is, for one field, can we have more than one foreign key or not? In this table, for example, MADNR is there, right? For this MADNR, how many foreign keys are there? Only one or more than one in this table? Or how many parent tables it is having now for this field?
I think foreign key is one, sir. Parent,
Only one only.
yeah.
Because if you click here, you'll get option here. Only one only. So means if anybody asks the question of an interview, basics, especially freshers. So how many primary keys it can have in one table? Only one primary key, nothing but composite primary key.
Sir, instead of double click on to identify the foreign key, do you have any option to
Ah,
easily identify this field belongs to foreign key as well?
no, no, no. In this screen, so you have to double click on the field here also. In the field also, you can double click. Show here as well. Either field you can double click or you can check that key. Click on that foreign key. You see here the check table showing as this one.
PWG.
This is the parent table. No, you will not be having any other option. That you are asking, is there any option? Check it here. No.
Right. It is there, sir.
Where here?
T001W. Purchase groups.
Where is that?
Yeah, plants or
Here.
branches T001W. And purchasing group.
It just shows all the list.
Now,
It's showing all the table
it shows all
information
the
here.
list of the fields. Means
I think
what are
in this
the
all
table
these
names?
places that field we are using.
What fields are there in
All
the
those
table
places.
according to
I
that?
think for this table belongs to all the foreign keys of those tables.
Here you can see a plant. No. Once you know the table, so you have to go to the table structure. Then only you should find out individually for each field what is the foreign key. See, the other ways you can get in the table relationship on document also. That also you can go through it. Not officially. I mean, you can get that in the net. SAP standard table. Relationships. You can get this one, this PDF. You can get here. This I think same thing is for last 20 years in the and the net is available. Like this one, you might have seen this one. Model wise you can find. You have seen here this type of document or not?
I've seen this document.
Model wise, you can see the table relationships. If you go to here, you'll find out. Table and field name they mentioned here. It's not SAP official one, this one. But a lot of these tables has been changed now, right, in S4HANA.
This is the old data.
Old. This is what relationship now you can see. EKKO and EKPO based on the ABLN. Right, you can check it here. Go to your table. Go to SCK 11 EKPO. Click on display. Right? Go to the document number. Put your foreign key here. Right? This is EKPO main table. What is EKPO? EKPO? It will be very interesting.
AKO is the header table of purchase document.
What is this header and what is the item?
Header comes only for organizational units, sir.
Yes. Header data is the common data for all the items. Right? For example, it's also important to cover now only the concept. I think this I told already very initial days. If I go to here, if you take a supermarket name, supermarket bill, if you take supermarket phone number and supermarket website address, right? If you take this one, you can see here supermarket name is Reliance, right? Website is something like this, right? You can see here. Right here, you purchase the items, item number, item quantity, price per item, total price. Suppose item 1, item quantity, you take 2 quantity, item name is soaps, item quantity is 3 soaps we created, purchased, and price per item is 50. So 150 rupees here. Second item, paste, right? So you purchase 2 paste here. Each paste is 100 rupees. Alright, 200. Third item, shampoo. Three items we purchased. Each shampoo is further 200. 600 rupees here. You purchase some chocolates or biscuits. So 4 packets we purchased. Each packet is maybe suppose 40 rupees. 160. So how many items you are purchasing here?
4.
4. Means 4 records we call in ID terminology. This is common or not for all this one? For all this data, is it common or not? If you take any supermarket bill, this is supermarket bill number.
That's common. Yeah. Bill number is varies.
Bill number is. Now for one bill, this address is same, right? This information is
Correct.
same.
Correct. Yeah.
After this bill number, you are purchasing this data.
Hmm.
It's called header data. It's called item data. Now if you go to your system, purchase order, /n MA23N. Right? This is a skin built by SAP using the ABAP programming language. If I go to here, other purchase order, choose the other purchase order here, new purchase order. So maybe not available here. Okay. Choose here, press enter. Right? Here, how many items are there? Only one item is here. Okay, that's why you see here. This is the header data. But let's go to table /o. Go to the item table, EKPO. Click on display. Go to the contents. See the data. Right? Maybe I'll take items which is more than 1. For example, I'll take 50, means 5 items. It only one record. This 290. Take this 290. Check it in purchase order. Go to here. Other purchase order. Copy paste. Do you see the 5 items are not here? One item, second item, third item, right? Fourth item, 5 items here, right? So these 5 items will be there in your EKPO. To go back, right? 290. Remove this 50. If you understood very correctly, right? This is where the concept of your primary key will come into picture. 290. Execute. These 9 items. You can say 9 items, I think here. 6.
It is 9 items.
7.
But
9 items are there here. So you can see 9 records here. Purchase order items here. That means you are purchasing the 9 items here. This should be single record only. How do I know? Go to the header data, EKKO table. Go to EKKO table. /1 S11 EKKO. Click on display. Go to contents. Copy paste the document number header. It must be only one record. Why based on one record? You can check the structure of the table. Click on back. Back. You see the structure. Primary key. Primary key means based on the purchase document number, single record only is available. Right? Hence, you see that only one record available here. Okay. So you try, I'll give some homework to try it. create a Z EKKO table. Purchase order table. Create here the fields MA and DT. And what fields you can take here is MA and DT, EBLN, MA and DT, EBLN. Otherwise, I'll write in the notepad better. Get a table of Z EKKO. Field MA and DT, EBLN, BUQRS, BSTOAP, BUQRS, BSTOAP. And one more field, BSCRT also. BSCRT. BSCRT. Okay, you create one table, this one. And you create one more table, Z EKPO. Here give MA and DT. EBLN. Okay, MA and DT. ABLP. ABLP. Item number. And LOE KZ. And material number, plant to storage location. So I'll tell you. MAT and all. Works LGOT. Here these two tables. And create a data also. And create a relationship as well. What we discussed in the class. If you practice this, a lot of concepts will be, you will come to know automatically. You create a data elements also better, so that you will practice of all these things. Okay. So if anything is there, you ping me. I'll stop the class today.